Hey guys, wanna know how to add objects in MetaTrader 5? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now first off, simply open up your MetaTrader application and make sure you are logged in as well. Now, in order to add shapes, it's super simple. Just simply select a place where you want to add shapes on charts and make sure you are on the charts tab as well. Now let's say I want to add shapes in this part right here. Now here you can see this shape icon. So simply click on it. Now here there are various shapes you can add from. And if you want more, just simply select this add icon on the top right. Now scroll down until you find the right one. And now you can just do it by dragging it right here. It's like this. And that's it. Now the shape has been added. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.